How to add Vanilla Visa gift card to Cash App. For this, you need to install the Cash App application, and you can easily install using your Play Store or App Store. So first and foremost, open your Play Store or App Store and search for Cash App. Then tap on the Cash App Make Money Online and just tap on Install. Tap Open once it is installed. So Cash App is a mobile payment service that allows users to send and receive money quickly and securely. It also offers features like investing in stocks and bitcoins as well as purchasing and selling cryptocurrency. With its easy-to-use interface, Cash App simplifies financial transactions for individual and business alike. Now, how can we link our Vanilla Visa card? Simply, you have to go ahead and tap on the Add Cash bubble right under the cash balance. Then you have to add amount of money that you want to add in your Cash App. Then add details about your Visa gift card. That includes your credit card number, your expiration date, your 3-digit CVV, and your zip code. Once you add those credentials and details, tap on Link Card. And just like that, your Vanilla Visa gift card will be added to your Cash App application. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.